To set corner action for top left to open or close quick panel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top left and then tap the gray on option next to open or close quick panel to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see the result, while auto click feature is on, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Next, you can open the quick panel by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the top left corner of the screen. To close the quick panel, hover and stop your mouse pointer again on the top left corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.